Hey guys, welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavita and I'm going to show you how to make wheat matri today. A very simple and delicious snack option this is, because this is something which needs minimal ingredients. Wheat, rava or semolina and some spices which are very easily available at your home. So all of this put together is how the matri is made. And matri is a North Indian cuisine and it has different variations now in Gujarat, in Punjab, in Haryana or Uttarakhand, in multiple places in a different way it is prepared. But today I'll show you the simplest one, because that's how I plan to make any recipe, because I, being a mother and entrepreneur, I have very less time, and when I go for lunch for having my food, I ensure that I make some snack for my child who is 2 years old for the evening snacking. So this is how I keep planning recipes and making it for him, and it eases my life as well. At one end I'm guilt free, on the other hand my child's health is taken care. Now I don't say that every mother can do it. I know if you are a full-time working professional who cannot go back home, you can keep ready these sort of dry snacks. There are a lot of other options on my channel and on our blog totsandmoms.com. Do check them. Before that, let's see how to make the simplest wheat matri at home. The list of ingredients to make wheat matri is here. I'm taking a bowl and adding wheat flour. This is semolina or rava or suji. I'm adding some crushed kasuri methi followed by cumin. This is ajwain or carom seeds. And this is some crushed pepper. Chili powder. Salt. Chili powder is optional though, and some ghee. Taking all these ingredients in a big bowl, it's now time to give it a quick stir, or what's the right word? Bring in all the ingredients together, that would be right. As you can see, it crumbles up and the flour comes together when you hold it. Now I added extra ghee because it was not coming together well. This is optional, it's not mandatory, but it would turn out crispier when you find it this way. So now I'm adding lukewarm water. Just add enough to make it tighter than chapati dough, not too soft. In South India, we prepare puri dough very tightly. Maybe that would be the right consistency. Keep adding water only when needed, so that you know how much water is required and you do not overdo it to become a soft dough. So these are very simple ingredients here, and just mix it to make a dough, and there is no need to rest it, and you can immediately roll them out into 3 big balls, and we will roll it out on a chapati. What is that? Board. Yeah, what's wrong with me? I'm sorry. So I'm adding more dough here, and I'm just rolling it out to bring in all the surface equally. Just ensure that. And now with the help of a fork, I'm making marks here, because it will not fluff up. We do not want the matri to fluff up a lot, so making these holes with the fork is good. Now I wish I had a cookie cutter. I had it, but I couldn't find it at the right time, so I'm taking a lid and making shapes, and this is how each matri would look now before cooking. And in a plate, take all of it together and heat oil and start adding them one by one. Ensure that the oil is hot enough, and on a medium flame you need to cook this. Do not heat it a lot, unlike French fries we recently made. So on a medium flame you need to keep mixing it, and when it turns golden brown, it is done. Take it out to a bowl. Ensure that you get rid of all the extra oil here, and it is ready to be served. Look at how crispy it looks, and amazing too. This can also be given to babies above 8 months of age. Now 8 months and this, wouldn't my baby choke? See, there are ways that you can adjust it and make it comfortable for your baby to have it. Now sometimes I put in spices. They say, oh my god, chili powder, itne chote bachche ke liye, for such a young child you're putting chili powder. See, I would show this amount of quantity because my child is 2 years old. Now you can adjust it and just add a pinch of it or skip it, that's it. But the whole recipe is not that is not suitable for your child. You can still make those purees, still make those soups. And now this matri, if I have added chili powder, you can reduce it. If I have added salt for a baby at an 8 month, you can totally skip it, because until a year we do not recommend salt. And you roll it out a little thicker and deep fry it on medium flame. No harm for your child, because he will with his saliva soften it a lot before he swallows it. Definitely your observation is required when the child has it. And as usual, I have few more recipe recommendations. Do check. The first recipe is peanut chaat. Now basic groundnut you can boil in, put in a lot of chaat masala and whatever spices you want and make this very quickly. There is baked vegetable option, that mixed vegetables that can be made again very quickly. The only time consuming part is chopping them into the nicest way possible so that it is appealing for you or your child to have it. Yes, it makes for a great diet food and yummiest diet food, please. Trust me when I say this, have it. And chickpea cutlet using Kabuli chana or the white big chickpea. I tried this once and the cutlet turned out very yummy. And for the simplest option of evening snack, I know I'm giving you a huge list. Why? Because post corona, you must have started to understand how your kids go hungry every hour, every 30 minutes, sometimes even before that. Okay, mama, I need something, papa, I need something is, I mean, every household story this is now. So these recipes have gone viral these days. Even though they are the simplest of recipes on my channel, most of them have started watching it. Our blog now has greater amount of views than what it used to be earlier. So all thanks to you people, and yeah, thank me later. So whole wheat pancake is another option. It is also made with simple ingredients. And in the morning, if you want to try something quickly, and most kids love dosa, so do try wheat rava dosa. Simplest form of it, you don't have to ferment it at all. Just mix in, add some spices, carrot, onion if you want, and spread it thin like a crispy wafer, and it turns out super yummy. Crispy dosas are the love of the moment now. Dosas are forever. Every child, every adult loves it. So when you can make it in a jiffy, why not try it? So do check that. And thank you so much for watching this video. Check our blog for more recipe options. If you want to search any recipe based on any ingredient, like apple recipe, makhana recipe, there's a way that you can find it out very quickly. And you can just go to the recipe index and go to ingredients section. You can also check our shop, Tots and Moms Foods, online, and our products are available on Amazon, FirstCry and Flipkart too. A lot of food options for babies, chemical free, preservative free, from cereals, porridge mixes, instant mixes to cookies, pancake mixes, granola, drink mixes. Lot of options you have there. Do check that as well, and I'll see you soon in yet another video. Bye.